Hey guys, welcome back to Dream Trust. I'm Arlene, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this nice purple look. And I used the Alice+Jane Candy Beauty Flavor palette that I came out with. This is the second one, so this is just what it looks like. Again, it comes with 16 shadows, 3 blushes, 3 highlighters. The highlighters, blushes can be used for shadow, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So keep watching. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what other videos you would like to see next. So I'm going to be priming my lids with concealer right now. You can use any concealer that you have. Next, I'm going to be using this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to be focusing this color on the outer part of my eye. And I'm also putting it up at my crease right here. So I'm kind of just like patting it in there. And I'm not going to be putting it all the way into the inner corner. I'm just going to be stopping halfway. Then I'm going to be blending everything out. So I'm just going to be taking a smaller brush, and I'm going to take this darker purple here just to give it more dimension. And then I'm just going to go back and blend everything together. I'm going to take the brush that I used to put concealer on just to kind of fade the front here. And the 3 highlighters here, I'll be using the one in the middle. These you can also use as eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this purple shade here. I'm just going to place that in the front. I'm going to go with this lighter shade here and place it just in the center. Go back and blend everything. I'm going to be taking this blush shade here to kind of diffuse the purple. just go back and blend everything together. I'm kind of dragging it out to my brow bone. So I'm just dragging the shadow out this way. I'm going to be taking an angled brush and this darker shade down here. And I'm going to go very close to my lash line. And I like to use a dark shadow as eyeliner just for a softer look, even though this is very dramatic. And it's really easy. You just pat it. And then I'm just gonna smudge it on the ends here. Now I'm going to be applying mascara. So for blush, I'll be using this one here. Just make sure you tap off the excess because this is very pigmented. I personally like putting blush on my nose. And for highlight, I'm just going to be using this top one, and I'm only placing this on my nose. Then I'm going to be spraying my face. And you can use my palette to dry off the setting spray. Multi-purpose. So now I'm just going to be lining my lips with a lip liner. I'm going to be doing my lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.